In the series of cement chemistry, Dr. K Mohan sir has already explained to us in detail about the raw materials used in the manufacture of cement. Now I would like to request Dr. K Mohan sir to tell us about cement manufacturing process. Sir, cement manufacturing process के बारे में थोड़ा सा हम लोगों को बताइए सर.
Sure, Mr. Singh. The cement manufacturing process involves 9 steps, starting from mining of limestone to packing of cement. I will discuss one by one all the 9 steps. As I told you, the first step is mining of limestone. Cement manufacturing process starts from the mining of limestone, which is the main raw material for the production of cement. Limestone is excavated from the limestone mines by blasting, and blasted limestone is transferred to crusher as boulders by dumpers. Next step is trussing of limestone. Limestone as mined is fed to the limestone crusher. So normally in cement plant, we are presently using impact crusher for crushing the limestone. The limestone crusher crushes the limestone to -60 to -80 mm size if you are using vertical roller mill or VRM for grinding, or -25 mm size if you are using ball mill for grinding, and discharge the material into a belt conveyor which takes it to the stacker and reclaimer. Third step is stacking and reclaiming of limestone. Limestone is stacked in longitudinal stockpiles. Limestone is extracted transversely from the stockpiles by reclaimers and conveyed to the raw mill hoppers for grinding of limestone. Next step, that is the fourth step of the cement manufacturing process, is grinding of limestone and additives. Limestone and additives are mixed in required proportions so that a specified composition of final product is maintained properly and ground in raw mill. Raw mill can be VRM, that is vertical roller mill, or it could be ball mill, ground to a fine powder. The fine powder is known as raw meal. Difference is in raw meal, that is ball mill or VRM, it is RAWMLL. Here, the fine powder is RAWMEAL. So that difference must be understood. Next stage is storage of raw meal. Raw meal is stored in continuous flow silo, that is shear silo, where it is blended and stored and kept ready to be fed into the rotary kiln. The blended material is known as kiln feed. Kiln feed is nothing but it in fact homogenized raw meal. Next step is burning of kiln feed. Kiln feed is fed to 4 to 6 stage preheater and pre-calciner system, and then to rotary kiln, where the temperature goes up to 1450 degrees centigrade. For burning the kiln feed, pulverized coal is fed through the lower end of the kiln, and raw coal is ground in coal mill. Coal mill could be either VRM, vertical roller mill, or could be ball mill to fine coal or pulverized coal. The hot materials coming out of the kiln is known as clinker. Clinker is in the form of noodles of various sizes, usually ranging from 1 millimeter to 25 millimeter in diameter. The hot clinker noodles are cooled to about 100 degree to 120 degrees centigrade in cooler attached to the kiln. In cooler, cold air is blown to effect heat exchange between hot clinker and cold air. The cooled clinker is stored in clinker side. Next step is grinding of clinker. Cooled clinker is ground along with 3 to 5% of gypsum in cement grinding mill. Again, cement grinding mill could be ball mill, it could be VRM, vertical roller mill, or it could be roll press in combination with ball mill. So roll press, ball mill in combi mode. So cement could be ground either in ball mill or VRM or roll press ball mill combination. And it is ground to a fine powder, which is known as cement. Next step is storage of cement. The ground cement is stored in cement silos, which is having different compartments from where it is fed to the packer machines. And last stage of cement manufacturing is packing of cement. So cement is packed in 50 kg cement bags by electronic packer machines and dispatched to consumer or customer either by truck or through rail.
आशा करते हैं दोस्तों आज आपको अच्छी खासी जानकारी हासिल हुई होगी। अगर हमारा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। अगर हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर नए हैं सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, बेल आइकन को जरूर हिट कीजिएगा, जिससे आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा, हमारा मोटिवेशन बढ़ता रहेगा। और दोस्त मैं एक चीज़ और आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि आने वाले सीरीज़ में आपको सीमेंट से रिलेटेड जितनी भी जानकारी आनी है केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड वो सारी 1 बाय 1 आती रहेंगी। आप बने रहिए और इंतज़ार करते रहिए, बने रहिए, नोट उसका बनाइए और सीमेंट केमिस्ट्री की पूरी जानकारी आपको इस चैनल के द्वारा प्राप्त हो जाएगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।